Hi, this is Shashi from ETHR World, and today with us we have Harpreet Kaur Kapoor, co-founder Converse AI. Hi, Harpreet, how are you doing?
Hi Shashi, I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you so much, Harpreet. So, my first question is, how is AI transforming HR technology and employee experience?
Very nice and very relevant question for today. So you know what? HR technology has always been system of records, right? AI is now transforming HR technology to systems of intelligence, wherein at each touch point of employee life cycle from hire to retire, be it your recruitment, your onboarding, performance, talent, everywhere AI is now playing a role wherein it is either bringing in lot of decision to the flow. So workflow was already there, right? Now AI is helping to take faster decisions, to amplify a lot of data intelligence in end-to-end workflow of from hire to retire life cycle. Like, just to share some great examples of where AI has been leveraged across. So in the case of recruitment, a lot of talent assessments are now based on AI, right? Where Converse AI is also helping many organizations getting the right fit, right job fit. Now in the area of talent management, a lot of conversations are happening on how do we make the assessment centers, development centers more AI led. So a lot of career progression, succession planning, assessments, based on competency frameworks of the organizations is now happening on AI, and it is all AI amplified. So, these are some of the use cases where AI has now been very heavily used across the industry.
And as a co-founder, Harpreet, how are you shaping the culture of your organization?
So, in Converse, we have five foundational values. Right, when we started Cognos as an organization, and then when we moved to consulting, to HR tech, and now Converse, which is our own product. So those five fundamental values have stayed along with us. Which is of honesty, right? We believe in on doing honest work and be honest to our work and clients. Then respect, empowered, collaboration, and being reflective. So these values are something which we preach and we practice, and this is something which is taken us from where we started.
Great, great values. Thank you so much, Harpreet, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.